our learning intention for today is to analyze gender stereotypes in advertising. Last week we focused on gender stereotypes associated with women, and today we're going to focus on gender stereotypes associated with men. So what we're going to do is we're going to watch this ad once all the way through, and then the second time around I'm going to pause and provide some commentary on the different stereotypes that we can notice.
You dad too? Wow, look at this lunch.
Yeah, hard to choose. Oh, this looks good.
That's really good.
Well, that's the Philadelphia.
Let's not tell Mum.
Okay, we're going to go through it one more time. So the very first thing that we can see here is two people of the same sex represented as a couple and represented as parents. So now we know that in Australia in 2017, marriage between same-sex people was made legal. And in 2018, same-sex couples could also adopt children. However, in advertising, same-sex couples are still majorly underrepresented, where the common scenario in ads is that there is always a woman and a man acting as the parents, as opposed to having two dads or two mums. So this is actually a positive for this example, because what they've done in this ad is they're fighting against the stereotype that parents should be made of a woman and a man by providing an example of two dads being parents.
You dad too? Wow.
The second thing that we can talk about here is the way these men are dressed. So one is dressed in a suit and a shirt, and he's got a clean, neat haircut. The other one looks very casual. His hair looks a bit messy, and this supports the stereotype that in a relationship, there is always one person that's a moneymaker, and there is the other person that's more of a house carer and children carer. So this supports the stereotype that there are those two roles of that kind within every family. We can say this is not exactly a positive, because you can have a family where both people are in powerful positions and both parents are what we call money makers.
Look at this lunch.
Yeah, hard to choose. Oh, this looks good.
That's really good.
Well, that's the Philadelphia.
Now I've paused it here to talk about the main reason why this ad was actually banned in the United Kingdom. It is because this ad is portraying men as forgetful, irresponsible, and incapable of caring for children, because they got very easily distracted by the food, so much so that they weren't mindful of their child. This is a dangerous stereotype that is commonly associated with men, to suggest that they're not as good of a parent as a mother could be. And for that reason, the UK banned this ad, because it was supporting a negative stereotype associated with men.
Let's not tell Mum.
So just a recap of the different stereotypes that we've noticed in the ad. So the first stereotype is that every couple has a moneymaker and a house carer, or a person that doesn't make as much money and therefore it's their duty to care for the house and the children. The second stereotype is that men are incapable of caring for children. And what this ad has done well is that they are portraying same-sex couples as parents, which is actually fighting the stereotype that every couple should have a man and a woman and every child should have a mum and a dad. So that is the positive of this ad, where they are actually representing same-sex parents, which we know are heavily underrepresented in the media at the moment.